Hello everybody, my name is Haki. In this video, I'm gonna share with you guys how to create beautiful low-light images with the Insta360 Ace Pro. There are basically 3 shooting situations I'd like to highlight, so let's take a look at them one by one. First one is Citylapse. My basic camera setting for Citylapse is PureVideo Mode, PureShot+RAW, ISO 100, white balance 5000. Shutter speed depends on the lighting condition, but it's better to expose as long as possible in order to get cool motion blur effect. For example, if you're shooting from a tall building or observation deck, you can expose about 5 seconds. If you're shooting against strong city light, use a faster shutter speed to avoid overexposure. In this lighting condition, shutter speed 0.5 seconds was sort of the sweet spot to have the most motion blur without images getting too bright. You might find the pictures kind of overexposed straight out of camera, but these are raw pictures so you can recover the color information in post-production. The resolution is up to you. 12 megapixel photo will give you 4K time-lapse and 48 megapixel will give you 8K time-lapse. Go with 48 megapixel if you want to crop in, but the file size will be huge, so make sure to have enough storage in your microSD. Set the camera on a tripod, press record button and wait for a little while. Once you're done shooting, import the raw images into Lightroom and color grade the pictures. One thing I always do is lowering the highlights so that I can recover the details from blown outs. Export the pictures as JPEG and import them into Premiere Pro. Of course, you can do the same with Final Cut and DaVinci Resolve. Select the youngest number file, click Option and check Image Sequence. Now the images are imported chronologically. All you have to do is render the sequence and there you go. Beautiful Citylapse. Second one is PureVideo. Ace Pro has a built-in AI chip to reduce noise in low light situation. In order to activate it, simply select PureVideo Mode instead of normal video mode. Thanks to this feature, now you can get a much brighter and clearer image at night. This is a side-by-side footage comparison with other action camera. You see Ace Pro shows much better dynamic range and much less micro jitter. This is because the AI noise reduction allows you to shoot at higher ISOs, keeping the shutter speed fast enough to maintain a decent stabilization. Ace Pro will definitely take your low-light action scenes to the next level. The last one is Starlapse. Make sure you have an external battery if you are planning to shoot more than 2 to 3 hours. My basic camera setting is Starlapse Mode, PureShot+RAW, ISO 1250, white balance 4000, shutter speed 30 seconds. There are 3 shooting options: Starlapse Video, Startrails Video, and Startrails Photo. You can go with either, but let's go with Startrails Video this time. Set up a tripod on a flat surface, connect an external battery, and press record button. Wait at least 2 to 3 hours to get dynamic movement of the stars. What's good about Startrails Video is once you're done shooting, the camera auto-generates a Startrails time-lapse for you. The AI is really accurate and it doesn't duplicate clouds and mess up the image. If you want a simple Starlapse video, import the raw images into Lightroom for color grading, export them as JPEG, import them into Premiere Pro, and render the sequence. It's exactly the same process as Citylapse tutorial. In order to get the best results, try to pick a shooting day when the moon is in the crescent phase and positioned low in the sky. Okay, that's all for today's tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it and I'm looking forward to seeing your results. Have a nice shooting.